Guys, fourth generation Honda Odyssey. That will be from 2011 to 2017. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the rear brakes. This one doesn't have EPB, which means electronic parking brake. You're gonna need 12, 17, okay, screwdriver, pretty much. Here's the tools: screwdriver. All right, so a screwdriver, we're gonna need a 12 socket, ratchet, brush, silicone, brakes, lubricant, hammer in case the rotor doesn't want to come off, uh, a little flat screwdriver so we can pry it out the brake pads, and that's pretty much it. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Yeah. All right, want to do this screwdriver. Okay. And drive it out. All right, it's going to be 12. Let's see. Ooh, being funny, huh? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Be funny with me, little nigga. Here we go. One. These bolts are same length, same thing. I'm gonna remove the caliper. That's why we need this, guys. The flat screwdriver. There you go. Put it to the side. It's gonna be 17 here in the back. Okay, let me show it. This one and this one. Okay. Me, I'm not lazy, but I have the power to do it faster. So I'm gonna do it with a gun. There you go. These bolts are the same length. Okay. Same stuff. Here's the bracket. I could reuse this hardware, but I'm not though. Okay. I'm gonna put the new ones, the ones that come with the brake pads. Okay. So how do you remove it? Don't throw away the brake pads though. We're gonna need it. No, you know what? You can throw it away. It's fine. This guy, just like this. Just like that. The other one, same. Okay. Now we're gonna have to brush this. I'll be back. This is how it looks like when you brush it after the brush. Make sure these guys are like go in and out with no problem. If they are like hard to move, pulse, peel it like that, remove it, wipe it, re-grease it, put it back, just like that. All right. Okay. This is new hardware. Put it like that. That's it. Do the same here. You see, it has a nail here. Okay, that's your guide right there. Okay, one, two. You feel me? Pretty much. Now we lube it. Okay. People don't want to put lube in there. Some people though, not everybody, because they say, "Oh, it's gonna collect debris and dirt." Well, brake maintenance is not only to replace the rotor and the brake pads. It is like you have to give maintenance to these parts also. You know, you remove the brake, even if your pads and your rotors are new, but there's like a scratch sound or something funny. You disassemble the brakes. You know, you pull it out. You see it's dry and dirt. You brush it, re-grease it again. That's what maintenance is about. All right. All right. Next, we're gonna push this piston. Okay. Grab this piston pusher. That's how I call it. Now we're gonna put it here. It shouldn't fit in there. Now we're gonna spin it. That's how we push the piston. All right. All the way until you cannot push it any longer, anymore. That's it. All right. All the way to the back. Now, the rotor. You see this rubber? Well, it is a rubber, if you didn't know. We're going to collect that, okay? Because we're going to put it on the new. And it's easier when you do it after you remove the rotor. Oh, now, hit it. That's it. Pop. Remove it. Just like that. Now, you remember the rubber? We can get it out now. Looks like this. Okay. It's a rotor right there. And this, we can brush it here, you know, like so. And spray some brake cleaner. Remember this guy? We're gonna align it with this one. Okay, this one is different from these two. So don't mix them. Just like that. Pop, put the screw back. Go. This hole is to adjust the shoes. Okay, so um, but that's another topic. Now I'm gonna put back the rubber. Okay, just like that. Pop. Good. Now the bracket. Now the bracket, we put it back. Same way you remove it, same way it goes back. Okay. Can get lost. Tight it. Gucci. Now we're gonna put the brake pads. Okay. Just gonna go like this. Pop, pop. That's it. All right. This brake pad's gonna come with this clip, which is gonna tell you when the brake pad is in need replacement. Okay. So we're gonna put it like this, right? This thing's gonna go at the bottom. Oops, sorry. Like that. So we put it just like that. Okay. Same way you install this one, same way you install the one in the back. Okay. Nothing crazy. Now, mount the caliper. You could put some grease here and here, you know. Then we mount the caliper. Just like that. Pop. Just like that. Grab your screws. The 12 millimeter socket. Tight it. Make sure they Gucci. That's pretty much it. All right. Now we're gonna go to the driver's side. Step on the brake pedal. Pump these brakes. All right. So let's go. All right. So now we're gonna pump the brake pedal just for the pistons to push against the brake pads. Okay. That's soft. It's getting hard. Pulse. Harder. Pulse. Now it's hard. Pulse. Now it's hard. All right, let's go under the hood. How you open it? You see the guy over there? That one? Just pull it. All right, let's get it. Here's the latch. That's how you open the hood. All right. You're gonna need the kickstand, by the way. Now here's the brake fluid reservoir. When I do the brakes, I like to remove the top so it's easier to push the pistons back. You know what I'm saying? But then when you push the piston back, you're gonna notice that it's overflowing. That's normal. As long as you have fluid in the brake fluid reservoir, everything's Gucci. All right. It is bad when it's empty. Okay, so you don't want it empty. Okay. Uh, there's it says match right there. It's supposed to be right there, so it's good. If it was really low, then what you want to do is you come over here. In the cap, it tells you what type of fluid it takes. See right there, it says dot three, dot four. Right there, dot three or dot four. That's what you're gonna use. Pour it in there until the match line. Put it back. That's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Spray some brake cleaner, okay? Because the brake fluid eats away whatever they touch. Okay, paint, your skin, is is very, 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 very corrosive. All right. And that's it. Put the tires back, road test it, and you're Gucci. All right. If you have any questions, put it in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this baby. Um, I don't have to tell you what to do with the subscribe, like, share buttons. All right. But if you want to show some love, right below the video, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it, and it's going to ask you to leave a tip. You know, same as a restaurant, leave a tip. You know, just to show some love. You know what I'm saying, for the channel. Thanks to the support, I got microphones, a better camera, a flashlight, accessories for to make you feel like you in the front seat. You know what I'm saying? All right. So I'm gonna leave right here. Thank you for watching. You know where to find me. It's me, Stu. Can't stress it enough. I'm out, D.